You may invest your money in a variety of ways to generate a consistent monthly income, whether you're seeking for ways to supplement your monthly wage or hoping to develop a nest egg for your retirement. One of the most successful strategies to get a monthly income is to invest in methods that will pay out on a regular basis without the need for any additional effort. In order to generate passive revenues, there are a variety of ways that may be used, some of which require a considerable amount of personal wealth to begin with and others which require more consistent levels of dedication. Whatever your motivation for wanting to maximize your earning potential through monthly income sources, there are some excellent options that can provide investors with recurring passive income. In this video, we are going to talk about how money makes money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 6. Stocks, bonds and ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can pay a variety of dividends and are one of the most straightforward ways for investors to build up a consistent stream of passive income. Despite the fact that dividends are usually paid quarterly rather than monthly, there aren't many more effective strategies to earn a constant income. Stocks, on the other hand, are another consistent monthly income stream that can be sold on a variety of exchange systems, giving investors equity ownership in businesses. Bonds are investments that can be added to a portfolio and operate as a contract between the issuer and the investor. Typically, the lender will be paid interest on their investment on a monthly basis. ETFs are a collection of securities that track an underlying index and are traded on stock markets. They've risen in popularity among investors looking for diverse portfolios within a certain field, such as healthcare or emerging technology. When it comes to finding value investments, it's important to look for stocks that can pay dividends even if a COVID-enforced slump occurs. Choosing the appropriate stocks during an economic slump may necessitate some research, and it's worth looking into stocks that have historically performed well during bad financial times. Examining which equities did well during the 2008 financial crisis could provide insight into where the value sits as the new decade unfolds. If you're not sure how to invest in the stock market, it's a good idea to seek the advice of a financial advisor who can assist you through the process using their knowledge and experience. E-Trade, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade are some of the platforms that allow you to do so. Number 5. Enter the sharing community. By tapping into the sharing economy, you can easily earn a few hundred or even thousands of pounds per month. Airbnb is one of the most well-known examples of modern sharing, but today you can share just about any high-value asset or piece of equipment for a regular income stream. On Turo, you may rent out your automobile and instead cycle to work, or on CameraLens, you can rent out pricey camera and movie equipment that isn't going to be used for the foreseeable future. Other platforms, such as Spinlister, assist customers in renting out their bicycles, and Sailo allows you to hire out your sailing boat. The fact that money can be invested directly into assets that appeal to the individual in question makes this technique to investing your way to a regular monthly income so tempting to investors. Perhaps as an investor, you'd like to pursue a hobby as a photographer in your spare time. You may acquire the valuable equipment you want and utilize it to help you get a return on your investment while it's not in use by tapping into the sharing economy. Similarly, if you've always wanted to own your own vacation house in Spain, why not buy that Andalusian villa you're eyeing and immediately begin turning it into a profitable Airbnb asset for the 10 months of the year when neither you nor your family would be vacationing there? In some circumstances, the assets you invest in will appreciate consistently as well. This is especially true in the case of real estate, but it might also apply to rarer specialty equipment and automobiles. Number 4. Open a high-yield savings account. One of the most dependable ways to invest your money is through high-yield online savings accounts, which offer competitive interest rates. Unlike other investment methods, this one does not require you to make major purchases in advance, nor does it require you to lose your liquidity while expanding your portfolio and earning an income. In spite of the fact that most banks provide savings accounts, the value of interest rates supplied by internet banks, as compared to their brick-and-mortar counterparts, can leverage large amounts of money. When it comes to high-yield savings accounts, another alternative is to invest in an automated moneybox platform, which offers a higher rate of return. With Moneybox, customers can take their spare change and have it automatically rounded up and transferred into a savings account, where financial professionals will select appreciating stocks to invest the money in, all without having to do anything. Similarly, for those who are able to invest greater sums of money to go along with their spare change, This might result in a significant monthly income. Number 3. P2P Lending. Consider becoming a member of Lending Club or another peer-to-peer lending platform if you prefer to generate money while also contributing to charitable organizations. The term peer-to-peer lending refers to individuals who offer to cut out the middlemen and lend individuals the money they require to either start a business, consolidate debt, or pay for medical care. Essentially, this type of investment is a fantastic way to give back to society while also providing people with the opportunity to pursue their dreams or start a new life. It also has a significant earning potential. Due to the higher than average return rates on your original investment, P2P lending is a popular option for investors, and lenders can expect to earn more interest than they would from regular bank loans. When it comes to generating a monthly income, P2P lending is particularly beneficial because there is ample opportunity for lenders to reinvest their earnings in order to increase the amount of money that they receive on a monthly basis. Investors can open accounts with lending platforms with as little as a £1 initial deposit, according to the company. From there, individuals can start building their own portfolio by investing in a variety of loans in increments as little as £20 or even more if a really enticing offer presents itself. Number 2. Crowdfund real estate. Crowdfunding real estate does not have to be as expensive as you might assume. Starting with as little as £500, it is possible to begin investing in appreciating real estate assets through starting portfolios offered by crowdfunding platforms such as Fundrise. These platforms assist investors in taking advantage of a real estate investment trust, which offers customers greater flexibility as well as a solid return on their investment. It has been demonstrated in performance reports that annual returns of 12.25% on the initial cash invested are attainable. Realty Share, in addition to Fundrise, is a well-known crowdfunding real estate platform that has the potential to provide a substantial monthly income for investors. Significantly, a $5,000 minimum commitment is required to participate in Realty Share. While paying higher initial fees, investors are given greater influence over the properties that can be invested in, rather than having to rely on the overall profitability of the portfolio, as is the case with less expensive real estate crowdfunders. Of course, there are other possibilities available, but it's important to note that Fundrise and Realty Share are both private funds rather than publicly traded companies in the case of Fundrise and Realty Share. This means that you will not be able to readily liquidate any investments that you make and subsequently retrieve your cash in the process. Number 1. Boost your earnings with rental income. It is possible that the first option on our list is the most stable and effective source of monthly income you may establish for yourself. However, there is a significant condition in that you are either needed to own property or to pay off a mortgage in addition to the money you earn. Another small drawback is that your income may be negatively affected by maintenance expenditures and potentially major unplanned liabilities if, for example, the refrigerator in the property fails or the ceilings begin to leak, which could reduce your earnings. The fact is that there are very few more successful and long-lasting ways to make money than through the rental of real estate. Because the housing market is constantly encouraging younger people to rent rather than own a home, there will never be a scarcity of individuals looking to pay rent in your homes or apartments, especially in densely populated places. Even if you are obliged to pay off a mortgage on a monthly basis, the overall amount of rent you receive will often be sufficient to cover these expenditures, allowing you to earn a respectable short-term income. It is possible that you will generate a considerable amount of passive income from tenants once your mortgage is paid off in full at some point in the future. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.